Hi there. Today's tried and tested recipe is a sweet and tangy mango pickle with no oil. Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? This is a very easy recipe that preserves the intense mango flavor perfectly. The smell? It's mouth-watering. If you like the recipe, do subscribe and click the bell icon for updates. Let's begin with the raw mangoes. I have soaked them in water. Make sure to scrub them and get rid of the sap. Time to drain the water. Wipe them dry with a clean cloth and keep them aside. I'll peel the skin. There. Now it's time to chop them. The seed has become hard, so I'll just take out the flesh. Doesn't matter how you do it. I like to cut it into small cubes. The most important thing is remember to keep your chopping board, knife and your hands clean and absolutely dry. Panchforan or Bengali 5 spice, turmeric or haldi powder, pinch of asafoetida or hing and some chili flakes, sugar, cinnamon stick and salt. I'll begin by dry roasting the panchforan or the 5 spices. You'll know that they are done when they start to release their aroma and look slightly colored. Turn off the heat. Take it out and let it cool completely. Put the pan back onto the heat. Add in the mango pieces, all of them, followed by the sugar. I'll begin by adding half a cup of sugar. You can always taste and adjust it later. Spread it out. Add in the salt and the cinnamon stick. Mix again. Keep it on low to medium heat and let the sugar melt completely. The sugar has started to melt. That hardly took about a minute. Let the mango cook in the syrup on low heat. This is how it looks after about 3 more minutes. That's bubbling away in the sugar. I have not added anything and not touched it since. So maybe I'll just give it a mix. There's nothing to mix really. And the cinnamon smells lovely along with the mango. Let's add in the dry spices. Look how that has changed its color because of the turmeric. That's coming along really nice. See how the mango pieces have turned translucent. This indicates that they are cooked. I'll just check the seasoning. So I'll give it a taste. The mangoes are quite tart, so I'll add in some more sugar. Your likes, shares and comments mean a lot. Keep them coming. Mix well. Let it cook down on low heat. Give it a taste. It definitely needs more sugar. So I ended up adding about 2 cups of sugar. This should do it. That looks done. I can still see a few chunky pieces of mango. The most of it has turned into a nice jammy texture. I'll turn off the heat. The Pashforan has cooled down and I'll just grind it coarsely. Sprinkle the crushed spices over the pickle. Give it a mix and the pickle is finally ready. All we need to do is cool it down completely. Once the mango has cooled down completely, get a sterilized jar that is completely dry and fill the pickle. Store this gorgeous pickle in a dry place and always use a clean dry spoon to get it out. And you should be able to enjoy it for several months to come.